Definitely the hardest part for affiliate marketing for me was definitely the traffic part, the getting your link to be seen, getting people to come to your promotions, the traffic part. I dreaded doing the ads, okay? I just did not want to do ads. So that was like the hardest part. It's always scary to pick solo ads or to pick any type of paid traffic because you just don't know if you're wasting your money, and so many places will take your money with no problem and let you spend as much as you want of it. So to me, Udimi definitely saved my insanity. I mean, it saved my whole entire business, I feel like, because I wasn't having to do like Google ads and the whole ad campaign thing. I was just able to go on Udimi and have ad text already made there, that's saved on there with my payment information saved on there, and simply just go through sellers. And these sellers are rated and they are qualified and they show you your quality traffic. So when they say you're getting quality traffic, I have the IP addresses of every single quality traffic I get. And so I think Udimi is a game changer, and if you are trying to make money online doing anything, especially MMO or BizOp, then you definitely want to go to where you trust the solo ads at. And there's no better place than Udimi. Click the link around here somewhere. Start your traffic moving with Udimi.